Hello everybody and welcome to my plan with me for the month December. Since the weather is getting colder outside, I chose the theme winter birds for this month. The birds on every page give me a warm fuzzy feeling and remind me that even though trees are barren and temperatures are freezing, there is still life out there. I used some sticker sheets that I still had laying around. The colors on each page vary according to the type of bird. But to tie the colors together, I used a brown Faber Castell brush pen for all of my headers. For my appointments timeline, I didn't use Washi this time, as the sticker sheets had these amazing long stickers that perfectly fit the rest of the theme. I am using a Stabilo pen to give all the headers a drop shadow for a bit more depth. I have linked all the pens I used down below in the description box. As always, I'm doing everything free-handed. It saves so much time. If you're thinking about abandoning your ruler as well, don't worry about the lines not being perfectly straight. I think slightly wonky lines actually add character to your page. Also, a good technique to draw your lines as straight as possible is to not look at the line you're drawing. Instead, look at where the line should go. This really helps. For my habit page, I drew 8 little calendars again. I am so happy with this layout. Filling all those tiny calendars as the month goes by is so rewarding. I have to change up my spreads in the new year a little bit though. My December pages mark the end of this bullet journal. In January I will start a brand new one, which is a bit smaller and has vertical pages. I am a little bit sad to let go of my horizontal pages, but at the same time I'm excited to start a bujo that is a bit easier to take with me. At the end of this month, I will do a flip through of this entire bullet journal. It's so amazing to see how all these pages have filled up over time. How about you? Will you be starting a new journal too next year? Or will you continue in your current one? And there it is again, another bujo bingo. I have yet to see the day where I managed to fill the whole bingo card. But last month I got halfway, which was a great accomplishment. The way of categorizing my goals in separate rows really worked well for me, so I'm doing that again. I have one row dedicated to Twinkly Tanya, one row to finish my creative office, one row for other home improvements, and 2 rows for my gaming channel, Twinkly Tanya Plays. And I will be opening an Etsy shop in the new year. I really hope I can get the fundings together to buy a cricket or a silhouette before the year ends, so I can make my own sticker sheets. It might not be possible for me to buy one on such short notice though, in which case I'll open the shop a few months later. I will definitely let you know on this channel when the shop is officially open. I am really excited to start creating my own stickers and share them with all of you. Are there any particular categories in which you would love to have stickers? Please let me know in the comments below. I will start designing this month, and knowing what categories you all would like would really help me out. I thought it would be nice to write down the categories vertically next to each row, but it looked absolutely horrendous. So I used my old and trusted friend whiteout and covered it up with some washi. And of course I wrote down my rewards to help me motivate to actually work on my goals. By the way, this was the only page in which I used a Christmas sticker and not a winter bird. I thought it was fitting, as presents are rewards too, right? My memories page is simple as always. I used one of the long sticker strips for a border, but you can easily use washi instead. I am a bit sad that there is no page left in my bujo to fill with memories of the entire year though. Next to the memories page is my money log, which is probably the most hated page of the month December, right? But in an expensive month like this, it's especially important to track your money. Although I only track my income and my bills and not my other expenses such as groceries and, well, gifts. What do you track in your money log? And we've come to the very last page of my bullet journal, my page of weeklies. Such a strange feeling since this bujo has been with me for 1.5 years. That's a long time. The end of my bullet journal also means the end of this video. Please let me know what you thought of this month's pages. If you would like to see my flip through of this journal and my setup for next year in my new bullet journal, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the videos coming up. I will see you there. Have a lovely creative day.